Good morning, dear students. In continuation of the GIT hormone, in last lecture we have discussed the gastrin family. In that gastrin and cholecystokinin hormone we have discussed. Today we will discuss the secretin family and other hormones. Secretin family contains secretin, gastric inhibitory peptides, vasoactive intestinal peptides, glucagon and glucagon-like hormones. So first we will discuss the secretin. Secretin is secreted from the S cells which are located in the upper part of the small intestine. The functions of secretins. Secretin increase the secretion of pancreatic juice rich in bicarbonate and water. It also increase alkaline bile secretion. Bile secretion को और pancreatic juice secretion को secretin increase करता है. And also augment the function of the cholecystokinin to produce pancreatic secretion rich in enzymes. It decreases the gastric secretion and gastric motility and causes the contraction of the pyloric sphincter. Mechanism of action: secretin act on adenylyl cyclase enzyme on cell membrane and increase the cytosolic formation of cyclic MP and produce the function. Regulation of the secretin hormone. Secretion of the secretin hormone is increased by acidic chyme and products of the protein digestion which are entering in the duodenum and jejunum. Then secretin stimulate watery and alkaline pancreatic secretion. When water and alkaline pancreatic juice enters into the intestine, acidic content of the upper small intestine is neutralized and which inhibit the secretion of the S cells by the negative feedback mechanism. Contact of in this flow diagram you can show that contact of the intestinal mucosa with the acidic chyme. If there is a high acidic chyme and protein digestive products peptides, they stimulate the S cells which produce the secretin hormone. And stimulation of the pancreatic secretion rich in water and bicarbonates will produce, and this will reach into the duodenum through the sphincter of Oddi. Then there is a neutralization of the acid coming from the stomach, and this negatively inhibit the S cells, and which then secretin hormone secretion will decrease. Another hormone is the GIP hormone, gastric inhibitory peptide hormone, which is the peptide secreted from the mucosa of duodenum and jejunum in response to glucose and fat. When there is a fat and glucose is more in diet, this hormone is secreted. The function of this hormone is to inhibit gastric secretion and motility. That is why we call gastric inhibitory peptide hormone. It also stimulates the insulin secretion. For this action, we call GIPs are considered as a physiological regulator of insulin secretion. So we call glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptide, or we can say GIP. Glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptide means GIP. So there are two functions, two full form: gastric inhibitory peptide decrease the gastric secretion and motility, and GIP, glucose dependent insulinotropic polypeptides, regulate the insulin secretion. Next is the vasoactive intestinal peptides, or VIP, is secreted from the mucosal cell of the entire GIT, starting from stomach to colon, except esophagus. It found in the nerves of GIT and other neurons, blood, and brain. VIP markedly increase intestinal secretion rich in electrolyte and water. Therefore, in the excess, it produces watery diarrhea. It causes vasodilation. Therefore, it decreases the blood pressure. It decreases the GI motility. It causes the relaxation of intestinal smooth muscles, including sphincters. It potentiates the action of acetylcholine on the salivary glands. It inhibits gastric acid secretion, GI motility, decreasing the blood pressure while causing vasodilation. So the tumor of VIP hormone, when there is a VIP hormone is excessively secretion, then we call vipoma, which uh, significantly shown the profuse watery diarrhea because of increased rich pancreatic secretion, intestinal secretions, and hypotension because of the vasodilation. It causes the blood. Two major features of the vipoma. Next hormone is a glucagon. Glucagon is similar with the glucagon secreted from the A cells of the pancreas. Glucagon is mainly produced from the A cells in the pancreas and L cells of the intestine. A cells is a pre-glucagon is processed to form glucagon and major pro-glucagon fragments. L cells is processed to form glucagon, glycantin, and glucagon-like peptides. They also produce oxymodulin, glycantin related polypeptides. What is the role of the glucagon is important role in hyperglycemia in diabetes. In diabetes, when the blood glucose levels increase because of the glucagon, this glucagon. Motilin, other hormone is the motilin. Motilin is secreted from the enterochromaffin cells. Enterochromaffin cells and M0 cells present in the mucosa of all parts of the GIT except esophagus and rectum. It acts on G protein coupled receptors present on the enteric neurons. What are the functions of motilin? It causes contraction of intestinal smooth muscles and therefore increase GI motility. Motilin increase the motility, GI motility, especially in interdigestive phase. So we can simply say it is a major regulator of migratory motor complex that regulate the GIT motility between the meals. It prepare for the next meal. Secretion of motilin is decreased following ingestion of a meal and its concentration remains low until the digestion and absorption of the all meal is complete. Then the concentration increases and activate the migratory motor complex that sweeps and clean the intestine. Thus, it prepares the intestine for next meal. So what is the physiological applied physiology? Erythromycin is a drug, antibiotic drug, which can be used in patient having hypomotility of the GIT. Newborn babies may, if they are not passing stool frequently, as this antibiotic, then we can use this antibiotic as this antibiotics bind to motilin receptor and facilitate the intestinal motility, then stool passing is improving in the subject. Next hormone is a neurotensin, produced by the neurons and mucosal cells of the intestinal epithelium, mainly in the ileum. And it inhibits the GI motility but increase the ileal blood flow. Increase blood flow बढ़ाता है, ileal blood flow बढ़ाता है, but GI motility decrease करता है. Next hormone is the GRP hormone, gastrin releasing polypeptide hormone. It is secreted from the vagal nerve, non-cholinergic vagal fibers, and it produces the gastrin release. It produces the gastrin release via non-cholinergic vagal stimulation. So GRP release the gastrin, as name itself suggestive of gastric releasing polypeptides, release the gastrin via the non-cholinergic vagal stimulation fibers. Next is the guanine. It is secreted from the cells of intestinal mucosa. In human, it produced in the by the Paneth cells. Paneth cells. What are the Paneth cells? Paneth cells located in the crepes of liver cone of small intestine. So endocrine cells are Paneth cells. Paneth cells से निकलता है guanine. Mechanism of action: it acts on stimulating by the activity of the guanylyl cyclase, which increase the concentration of cyclic GMP, and cyclic GMP in turn increase the activity of chloride channels, and which increase the chloride secretion into the intestine. Functionally, guanine increase the secretion of chloride channels into the intestinal lumen and therefore regulate the fluid movement across the intestinal tract. So guanine is an important hormone which regulate or increase the secretion of chloride ion, by which regulation of fluid movement across the intestinal movement is seen by the guanine hormone. Guanine receptors are present in kidney. liver, and female reproductive tract. In these organs, ghrelin appears to control fluid movement and particularly integrate the action of intestine and kidney. So what is the applied physiology? Enterotoxin of the some strains of the E. coli that causes diarrhea have structural similarity with the ghrelin. They activate ghrelin receptors in the intestine and produce fluid secretion into the intestinal lumen and produce diarrhea. Somatostatin is secreted from GIT, hypothalamus, and D cells of the pancreas. It inhibits the gastric secretion, also inhibits the secretion of VIP, GIP, secretin, and motilin. It is an inhibited neurotransmitter in many parts of the brain, especially in hypothalamus and pituitary. So we will later discuss in the somatostatin in the pituitary when we will discuss anti-pituitary. TRH is structurally similar to hypothalamic TRH, but it does not enter in the circulation, so it is not affecting on the thyroid. It is involved in regulation of secretory immunity of the intestine. Mainly TRH is involved in the regulation of secretory immunity of intestine. ACTH is structurally, it is similar to the ACTH of the anti-pituitary. The function of intestinal ACTH is not clear. Next hormone is a ghrelin hormone. It is a polypeptide secreted from stomach. It has a more systemic effect than local. It is a strong orexigenic agent. Means increase the food intake by acting on arcuate nucleus of hypothalamus. So food control, as you already discussed in hypothalamus, how to feed. Food intake is increased by the ghrelin. It stimulates secretion of growth hormone from the anti-pituitary. It also stimulates the growth hormone secretion from the pituitary by ghrelin. Polypeptide bye is a polypeptide hormone secreted from the small intestine and colon. It inhibits the gastric secretion and motility. Hence, it is produced to be an effective gastric inhibiting peptide. It is secretly stimulated by presence of fat in jejunum. Though structurally resembles the neuropeptide bye, peptide bye is structurally similar with the neuropeptide bye that stimulates food intake, and the peptide bye inhibits the food intake. Next hormone is substance P is secreted from the endocrine cells and neurons of the GIT starting from the stomach to colon and increase the intestinal motility. Thank you, dear friends.